Hi everyone, welcome to Share the Magic, and today I have a very spooky unboxing for you. So let's do it. Here we have this big heavy box. Let's dig in.
1 hour later.
It's so big! Oh my god, I didn't know it's that big. Oh my god. Ah! This is so cool. Oh my god, why is it so huge? I thought it's gonna be the same size as this one. Oh my god. Damn. Okay, here we have the giant Mickey pumpkin. Did not expect the size. Quite heavy. Very surprised. Like I said, I thought it's gonna be small. It's gonna be the same size as the candy Mickey I have from last year. But yeah, look at that. It's like so big. Honestly, I'm not really happy with the quality. The quality could be better. And also, it comes like with the giant hole from the bottom, because I assume you can like put, I have the candle, you can put it inside and make it like light up. It's very bright in the room, but you can kind of see. Like this with the candle, without the candle. So it's cool. I like it. It's Halloween is coming. Listen, I'm already ready. Look at my t-shirt. But the quality is not that great. For the price you pay, I would expect it to be really good quality. Like Pottery Barn is kind of overcharging for what you're getting, to be quite frank. I'm not happy with the quality. I would give maybe a 4 out of 10 for the quality. Like, you can see how bad it is. Like, look at all the bubbles in the plastic in the eyes. The mouse is like glued from the back, and it's kind of like you can tell that it's gonna fall off if you push it down too hard. Yeah, like, I don't understand why there's like no cover, no nothing. It looks like it should be something. I don't know, did I get the broken one? Or it's supposed to be like that? Like, I know you gotta put something inside. Also, I thought it's gonna come with a light or something inside. For like I said, for the price you pay, it should be coming with something. I like the size, and I like the look. Don't like the quality. So yeah, I think it's still available, and recently they put it for $129. When I bought it, it was $99, so like, why? But this is still available, so if you were looking for it, like I did, last year I missed out and I had to wait the whole year to get it. I finally do. Not happy. This little fella from last year, and I think they still have him on the website. It's so much cheaper. I don't remember how much. I'll put the price somewhere here. But yeah, look how cute it is. It has like, I put the candies inside. So yeah, it has the hole. And yeah, it's all closed up from the bottom, if you can tell. So like, I thought the other one's supposed to be like that, but I guess not. Yeah, I like this one a lot. This one is cute. This one was totally worth it. The other one, I don't know. That was it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know, do you have this Mickey pumpkin? Would you want to get it? I'll link the store in the description. But all in all, I do like it, but quality is very lacking. Hopefully another year they're gonna come up with something new. Who knows? I like Mickey, and I like Mickey pumpkin shaped things. So I have like a collection. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe, because it does help the channel a lot. And as always, don't forget to share the magic. Bye!